The new rule them under the disaster risk management law. These are the rule them for zoo and amusement park. 1. People must walk in a one line in the same direction when them go look upon the animal them. 2. When the things them where them are show the inside, the door and window them must stand open. 3. No seat, nothing in no food place where people sit down and eat. 4. Bathroom and changing room for clean and sanitize every hour. 5. Anywhere where people have to turn up for go in, like a bathroom, entrance, or no place where people can buy something, for have things mark out for people turn up 6 foot distance from them one another. 6. Different place must be there for people go in and come out. 7. No event no for keep. 8. Play area where have swing, ride, or things like that must stand lock. 9. People can't only look upon the animal them nothing touch them. 10. Every place must have somewhere for people wash or sanitize them and spot must mark out so people can use them to know how far to turn up from them one another. The spot them must be 6 foot distance from them one another. 11. Everybody will line up to go in at the park to get some hand sanitizer for rub on them hand. 12. Really not other place where people touch often for clean regular. 13. Everybody in at the zoo or park, whether them a visitor or worker, for have on them mask. 14. People can go to the zoo from 10 o'clock a morning till 4 o'clock a evening. 15. Only half of the number of somebody where the place can hold can get in at the place the said time. So, if the place can hold 100 somebody, only 50 somebody must in there. 16. Sign must be there with the rule them for the property and sign must put up which part people walk for go in. 17. All of the visitor and the worker them must get them temperature check at the place where them walk for go in at the park. Make sure you follow them rule here.